Hello everyone, welcome to the next lecture on the GATE 2022 statistics. Today we will discuss about the Markov chain question which was asked in this GATE examination. Question number 16 and 34 with the help of shortcut tricks. So we will see how we can solve these two questions within 1 minute, and it's a unique trick for all of you. You can simply follow my Telegram link, that's a GATE of the stat. Else you can simply follow my YouTube channel link where you can find the various shortcut tricks and the lectures. So let's start with this video. So this is question number 16, which is related to the stationary distribution, and this is the question number 34, which is related to finding the probability in the long run case. So long run is also called as the steady state probability. How you can find this probability in case of the steady state? So first of all, whenever there is a concept of the stationary probability as a unique or infinite, any of the Markov chain is, if you prove that it is a irreducible, then it means it has a unique stationary distribution. That's the simple concept behind that. So now your target is to prove only that this Markov chain or this Markov chain is irreducible. What is the meaning of the irreducible is? So there are the three states, 1, 2 and 3. What is the meaning of the irreducible is? If you start from the 1, it is possible to reach from the 2. Is it also possible to reach from the 3? If you start from the 2, you can start from the any state. Then if you go, if you are able to reach to the other states, then it's called as the irreducible. So look at that. If you consider about the P1, draw the transition diagram. This is my three states, 1, 2 and 3. So what is that? This is 1 to 1. 1 to 2 is nothing but there. So it's from 2 to 1, from 2 to 2 and then 2 to 3. Then from 3 to 3. Now, is it possible that you can start from the 1 and reach at the point 2? No, you can see that. Is it possible that you can start from the 1 and reach at the point 3? No. So it means this is not irreducible. So once it is not irreducible, it means the stationary point is not unique. So it has infinite many stationary points. So the first option is cancelled out. P1 has a unique. P1 has a unique is cancelled out. P2 has infinite many, that's 2. P2 neither is unique, that's also 2. Now we can do the same thing for this my second distribution. So my second is my 1, 3 states are there. Now we can do P1 to P1 is possible. 1 to 2 with probability 1 by 3. 1 to 3 is also possible. Now 2 to 1, that's possible. 2 to 2 is not possible. 2 to 3, that also possible. Then 3 to 2 is also possible. Now, is it possible for you? You can start from the 1 and reach at the point 2 states. This you can do like this way. There is a possible, because you can do by using this path. Is it possible that you can start from the 1 and reach at the 3? Yes, you can do it directly. That's 2. You can start from the 2. Is it possible to go 1? That's 2. Is it possible that you can go from the 3? 3, yes, that's 2. Is it possible that you start from the 3 goes to the 1? That's also 2, because how you can do? You can go from 3 to 2, then 2 to 1. That's also possible, and so on. So it means all the cases are possible. So this is my irreducible. So once it's irreducible, it means this has a unique distribution is there. So that's the right answer of this problem. So that's a very simple concept. Always remember, whenever they are talking about the unique, you have to prove it's a irreducible. Okay, look about this next one. Companies sometimes stop the payment of the quarterly dividend if the company pay the quarterly dividend the next time. Because of this next time, this is the question related to the Markov chain. The probability that the next day will also be the pay with the probability is 0.7. If the company stop the quarterly payments, that means they are not paying the bill, then what is the probability that the next quarterly payment will not be paid is my 0.5. Then what is your required probabilities? Your target is to find the probability that company will not pay in the long run. So what is the meaning of the long run? It means your target is to find the steady state probability. So there are the two methods are there. You can, if I say Q is my steady state probability, then your target is to find the QP of P. How you can find this number? This sum will be 1, so you can complete this value here. So one way is that you can solve it very manually, but I will tell you the shortcut tricks. What is the shortcut trick is, whenever there is a 2 cross 2 matrix and some diagonal entries are there, and here, if this condition is satisfied, and in this case is satisfied, then what is the steady state probability? The steady state probability is A upon A plus B and B upon A plus B. Remember, this is the diagonal entries. So what is that? In this case, what is the right answer of this? What is the steady state probabilities? A is my 3, total is 8, so 3 by 8, and here is 5 by 8. But we need to find the not pay. Not pay is my second case, so the right answer is my 5 divided by 8. There is no need to solve like this manner. You can simply write the matrix in the 2 cross 2 form. This is the shortcut tricks for you. You have to write in the 2 cross 2 in this form. Then the steady state is always be A over total, B upon total. So this is the probability of the not paying in case of steady state. So the right answer is 5 by 8. You can convert them to the 3 decimal places. You will get the right answer in a very simple way. So I hope you can learn both the concepts, that is of the irreducible and the steady state in a very simple way. We will see the next lecture related to the other questions of the GATE 2022 statistics exam. Till then, you can simply follow my link. I hope you can keep like, share and comment on these videos. Thank you very much, students. Happy learning.